Hello and welcome you all. Today we will study next topic of our chapter 2 class 11th mathematics, which is functions. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss as always. But before that, I request you all to watch all the previous series of relations. Student, a function is a special type of relation. Yes, a function is also a relation. So as per the definition, a relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. So to understand it in detail, I have drawn 5 cases by an arrow diagram. So after this video, you will never get confused between both of relation and function. So our first case is, as you can see, I have drawn an array diagram where we have two non-empty sets A and B, in which the elements of A are 1, 2, 3 and elements of B are 4, 5, 6. So here 1 is related to 4, 1 is related to 5 and 1 is related to 6. And similarly 2 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5, 2 is related to 6 and 3 is related to 4, 3 is related to 5, 3 is related to 6. In this arrow diagram, let us define a relation R1 which is equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 in close curly braces. So as you can see that in array diagram of case 1, here elements of set A have more than one images in set B. Therefore, it will not satisfy the definition of function. So clearly we can say that this R1 relation is not a function. And now let us see case 2 in which the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3 and the elements of set B are 4, 5, 6. Here 1 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5 and 3 is related to 6. So from here let us define a relation R2 which is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6 in closed curly braces. So in this arrow diagram of case 2, here you can see that each element of set A has one and only one image in set B. So hence this will satisfy the definition of function, as here 1 has a unique image which is 4, similarly 2 has a unique image which is 5 and 3 is also has a unique image which is 6. So therefore it is a function. And now let us see case 3 in which the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3 and elements of set B are 4, 5, 6. So by this arrow diagram, 1 is related to 5 and 2 is related to 6. And as you can clearly see that here the element 3 in set A has no image in set B. So again, it will not satisfy the definition of function. Therefore, it is not a function. And now we will see case 4 in which the elements of set A are 1 and 2 and the elements of set B are 3, 4, 5. So in this arrow diagram, 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 4 and 2 is related to 5. So from here, let us define a relation R which is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 in closed curly braces. So from here, as you can see that f of 1 will be equal to 3 and f of 1 will be equal to 4. So here the element 1 has two images which are 3 and 4. Therefore, the element 1 do not have a unique image. So therefore, student, it is also not a function. And now we will see case 5 in which the elements of set A are 1, 2, 6, 7 and elements of set B are 3, 4 and 5. So from here 1 is related to 3 and 2 is also related to 3. 6 is related to 4 and 7 is related to 5. So let us define a relation R which is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5 in closed curly braces. As you can see that in this arrow diagram, 1 and 2 both have a unique image which is equal to 3. So it will fulfill the definition of our function. Therefore, it is a function. And now at the end of this video, we will conclude that a relation R such that A tends to B is said to be a function only when the domain of R will be equal to domain of F. That is, domain is equal to set A. And also, no two distinct ordered pairs have same first element. See student, in case 4, the relation R which is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 5 in closed curly braces. And in case 5, the relation R is 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5 in closed curly braces. So from both the relation, as you can see that In case 4, the ordered pair 1, 3 and 1, 4 both have the same first element, that is 1. And for a function, they should be different. Like, see in case 5, where all the ordered pairs have different first element, that is 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for listening me as always. God bless you all.